This is the Aviva Discrete Lean Management System. Let's take a look on the work order management first. For the work order management, this is the master view. This means for supervisor. Supervisor actually can monitor, allocate, and prioritize the work order for the whole plant here. The work order can be gotten from ERP or manual entry as long as the file follows certain format that work order management can consume. Although work order allocation can be done based on the setting here, it can be based on the product OE of the line and change over minimization logic through product or the work order priority. For work order management, we also have a line operation view for the operator. From here, in this case, for the operator for the automatic line 12, operator will know what are the work order allocated to the line and pick up for production. Additional feature like quality release before closing the order can also be activated while setting. And this is the add-on system. In add-on system, we are free to define the different add-on issue type. So all these can be defined in the setting. It's not limited to 7 of these. We can always add the new one like method, inventory, logistic, etc. When operator encounter an issue, add-on issue can be activated to trigger the attention of relevant personnel. And the issue here are also free to define in the setting. Issue activation can be manual or by automated signal. When the relevant personnel attend to the issue can be acknowledged. And when the issue is fixed, issue can be normalized or closed. Escalation of the issue can be done via email or SMS based on the escalation level setting and also the escalation rule setting. They are about when and sent to whom. Now talk about the performance module. In performance module, line schedule can be defined for every line. The definition including which shift template to follow and is it same for every day or different by weekdays. For manual line, expected number of operator can be set. The system will alert if less operator batch in and the KPI of manual line will be based on the actual number of operator running the line. In performance module, there is a work order execution interface to capture the production data, either by manual data entry or automated signal. So in this case, for example, operator can add the production data, can add the quality defect data, and can also add the downtime or plant maintenance data. The downtime reason and the quality defect reason are free to define in the settings, and the operator can choose from a list of the downtime reason and the quality defect reasons. By mouse over, we can see the detailed information. Different production rate can be set for different product in a line, so OE will be calculated based on that. Now take a look on the work instruction module. Work instruction is defined based on the line and product relationship. The number of steps per workstation per product and the instruction of each step are free to define. It supports the PDF file and also MP4 video. It shows the line current performance and status, and also provide the end-on panel for the issue triggering. Operator can also monitor the end-on issue status from here. Discrete Lean Management also comes with a plant overview dashboard. This dashboard can be run on individual machine or be put on the big TV. What is shown on the dashboard is customizable from machine to machine. We also have a dashboard for end-on. For end-on, we keep track of the number of events, the average time to acknowledge, and also the average time to normalize. That is the time taken to fix the issue. Yep. For performance dashboard, we have a dashboard for OEE and OLE. We also have a dashboard for quality. There is a mean defect rate. And we also have a Pareto chart for the quality defect and the downtime that is captured from the line. We also calculate MTBF and MTTR. And we have a waterfall diagram for the automatic line and also the manual line. For both end-on and performance dashboard, we can double-click the bar to drill down into the details. Beside the dashboard, the data can be output into a CSV report based on the filter selection like period, line, and so on. User can make use of it to come up with more customized analysis either by Excel pivot table or other dashboarding tools. For solution configuration, beside those settings that only need one-time setup like database setting, all other settings can be done fast by importing setup file. This is one of the examples of the setup file that set up the performance downtime reason. The solution comes with all the setup file template ready. After filling them up, all of them can be imported at once to enable fast deployment. The solution comes with 3 languages out of the box, and new languages can be easily added by CSV file upload. All the data history for configuration and operation are being captured. For example, in this case, for the physical location, all the actions are logged and recorded. Same thing for the operation. All the details are logged and recorded, and the actions that deal with the data are also logged and recorded. And this enables the full audit trail.